What is going on, everyone, and welcome to this video. My name's Hayden, you're watching FBA TV. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. In this video, we're going to talk about honey. So, honey. So, honey cashback. Usually, everyone knows that honey is a Chrome extension, and not only does it look for rewards for you, not only does it look for discount codes for you, so you click on the Chrome extension. Great thing, by the way, you should install it if you haven't already. You click on the Chrome extension, it will find you a load of discounts, put the codes in. A lot of the time, it will save you a lot of money. But what it also does is gets you honey rewards. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how it could be the end of honey rewards. Okay, now this is a bit of a shame, but it's not a massive blow. Okay, so in FBA TV today, let's talk about this. Okay, so I recently started seeing a few sellers pop up saying, oh, my honey's not working. And I saw one well-known seller saying that they had to email customer support, and then after multiple messages they finally got them back, and they actually let them have the honey rewards, and then it all went through okay. But since then, I've seen another couple of sellers actually say that they've kept having the issue where they've emailed customer support, they've tried to get their honey rewards, and it's just not working. It keeps getting denied. And horror of horrors, I've had the same thing. So I've got about 12,000 points now in honey, and I was like, I saw a nice pair of trainers the other day when I was out shopping in Brighton, and I was like, oh, let me use the honey points, when I get home. So took a picture of them, tried to send the honey rewards to an Amazon voucher to buy them from Amazon. And unfortunately, horror of horrors, it keeps getting denied. And I've tried multiple times on different retailers, it keeps getting flagged back, keeps getting smashed back. And it's got to the stage now where I click it and it doesn't even come off my balance, my rewards balance. They've just put a complete block on it. Now, what does this mean? This means that I strongly believe, right, 99% sure, I've emailed customer support, they don't even get back to me, by the way. So I think they've started to become reseller unfriendly. They're no longer friendly with resellers when they used to be. What's going on? Quick introduction here, just to introduce my new sponsor. So I'm now sponsored by Prepared For You. I've been using this prep center for a fair few months now, and they've been fantastic. Okay, if you are interested in trying them out, I've got a link below. Click on the link below, the Prepared For You link, and you can get £50 off your first month with them. Type in Hayden into the coupon code when you're signing up to your desired package, and you can get £50 off. As I say, really recommend them. I've enjoyed their service, and yeah, very efficient, very communicational, and I will see you in the next video. Let's start in. And they're just flagging accounts. They're flagging down accounts that have got issues. Now, have I tried to start another account? No, not yet. Probably because it's not a massive money earner. It's not like Top Cashback or Complete Savings that some people use, which I might sign up to again, by the way, soon. I haven't had that for a while, where you actually can earn, quite a fair bit of money, maybe 250 quid a month from Complete Savings or Top Cashback. The last 2 months, I've paid out about 500 quid from built up cashback to myself. So that's a part-time salary. Honey rewards. I've had it ages, like a year and a half, and I've got like 12,000 points. So look, this isn't a massive blow, it's just a little bit annoying, It's a little bit annoying, but what's great is that we can still use honey rewards. Not honey rewards. What's great is that we can still use honey, the Chrome extension, to actually keep getting us them discounts, to keep getting us them discount codes, to save us money on our stock. So is it a massive issue? No, but I thought I'd bring it up. It's FBA TV news here. Do you know what I mean? I'll bring you the news. And that's the latest news. Honey is no more for a lot of resellers. But let me know in the comments below. Is your honey still working? Have you retrieved points recently? Because if you haven't, I would recommend retrieving them soon. Because look, a lot of sellers like myself are not able to withdraw their account, their funds. So So I would recommend, if you haven't already, getting your rewards out now. Get your rewards out to your account before it's too late, before they flag your account. They might not ever flag your account. You might be fine, but a lot of accounts are being flagged, so I would recommend, no matter what you've got in your balance, get it out now, just in case it doesn't work. Because I had about probably about £80 worth of vouchers. I mean, I was trying to withdraw 60, which was the limit, but I mean, I'm trying to get 80 to 90 quid. I reckon I've got rewards. Can't remember exactly. I mean, it's £10 per every 1,000, isn't it? For every 1,500 or 1,100, I can't remember. So I had quite a fair amount in there, probably about 70 quid maybe. And yeah, it's gone. It's no more. So that's FBA TV news today. Honey rewards is no more for a lot of resellers. I will see you in the next video. Keep going. Get ready for Q4 if you haven't already. Let's hit Q4 hard. Let's have a fantastic Q4 and happy selling.